Good morning, students. As we are returning to our video classes, our total English grammar section, let us discuss in these initial days. So, all of you may take your total English textbook and you can open page number 178. So, first of all, we will be doing the transformation of sentences. So, under this transformation of sentences, here we have degrees of comparison. And you know the degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So here we are given with a few examples. Let us read them and understand. And there are assignments, questions based on the transformation. So we will do and we will follow assignment. We will do assignment 2 and some more exercises from the textbook. So let us see these examples given here. So we are supposed to change the degrees of comparison of adjective without changing its meaning. So coming to the first positive sentence given here: birds do not fly as fast as the aeroplane. So in the textbook itself we are given with all the answers. Comparative is the aeroplane flies faster than birds. So here we are not given any superlative degree because we can't make any superlative degree here. So in some cases we can make positive, comparative and superlative degrees with adjective, but in certain cases we are not able to do it. The next sentence is Reena is as clever as Naveen, and that is positive. In comparative, Naveen is not cleverer than Reena. Then there is another one: no other fruit is as sweet as the mango, that is positive. And when you change that into comparative without changing the meaning, without losing the meaning, okay, the answer is the mango is sweeter than any other fruit. Its superlative is the mango is the sweetest of all the fruits. So next sentence is positive. The no other metal is as costly as gold. So no other metal is costlier than gold. That is comparative. And its superlative is gold is the costliest of all the metals. Now we have a positive sentence. Some writers are as great as Hardy. Its comparative is Hardy is not greater than some other writers. Its superlative is Hardy is not the greatest of all the writers. So another one is very few cities in India are as big as Chennai. Its comparative is Chennai is bigger than most other cities in India. Its superlative is Chennai is one of the biggest cities in India. So it is only to get familiarized and to refresh our mind with regard to adjectives, change of or comparison of adjectives. Now let us come to assignment 1. So here you have the first question: lead is heavier than any other metal. So lead is heavier than any other metal, that is a comparative statement. So here you can change it into, when you change that into superlative, it becomes lead is the heaviest of all the metals. What is superlative? Lead is the heaviest of all metals. There can be also positive degree in this case, that is no other metal is as heavy as lead. So as you know the structure of positive, comparative and superlative, I don't describe the structure of that. Okay, whenever there is as, something as, you know that is positive, and comparative is always okay with a than. Okay, and in superlative there will be the superlative form. So here you have positive and superlative. Positive is no other metal is as heavy as lead, and superlative is lead is the heaviest of all metals. Second question is a wise enemy is better than a foolish friend. So what is the positive here? A foolish friend is not as good as. Okay, a foolish friend is not. That is very important. It is very important to add not there in order to get the correct meaning. So a foolish friend is not as good as a wise enemy. In this case, you are not able to make any superlative statement. So third one, I get up earlier than you do. So here you have the positive degree. You do not get up as early as I do. So what is the sentence? You do not get up as early as I do. Then the fourth question is Delhi is not as crowded as Mumbai. So here you can't have any positive degree. you can have comparative degree. That is, Mumbai is more crowded than Delhi. Mumbai is more crowded than Delhi. The fifth question is, the rose is the sweetest of all the flowers. So in this case, in this statement, this is sweetest means that is superlative. So you are able to make positive, both positive and comparative in this sentence. So what is positive? No other flower is as sweet as the rose. No other flower is as sweet as the rose. And the comparative is, the rose is sweeter than all other flowers. The rose is sweeter than all other flowers, or all the flowers. That will be better. All the flowers. Next one is sixth one. Hunger is the best source. So comparative will be, hunger is better than any other source. Hunger is better than any other source. And there is positive also for this. That is, no other source is as good as hunger. I repeat, no other source is as good as hunger. Seventh question is, Savitri is cleverer than any other girl in the class. Cleverer than, it is comparative. So you will change that into both positive and superlative. The positive is, no other girl in the class is as clever as Savitri. No other girl in the class is as clever as Savitri. And superlative will be, Savitri is the cleverest girl in the class. Okay, Savitri is the cleverest girl in the class. Then you have question number 8. Mr. Kumar is one of the best teachers in our school. So you understand it is superlative, in superlative. So when you change that into positive and comparative, you have these sentences. Positive sentences: very few teachers in our school are, very few teachers in our school are as good as Mr. Kumar. Okay, and comparative will be, Mr. Kumar is better than, Mr. Kumar is better than most teachers in our school. So next sentence, question number 9. Very few runners are as swift as Adam. So comparative will be, Adam is swifter than most other runners. Comparative is, okay, Adam is swifter than most other runners. And you can also make superlative here. That is, Adam is one of the swiftest runners. Adam is one of the swiftest runners. Okay, the last question in assignment 1 is, Lucknow is not as cool as Shimla. You know it is positive. So comparative will be, Shimla is cooler than Lucknow. Shimla is cooler than Lucknow. Now in the next page you have assignment 2. Let us go to assignment 2. So question is, Eva is less strong than Joe. Okay, Eva is less strong than Joe. When you change that, the B part, Joe dash. Joe is stronger than Eva. Joe is stronger than Eva. Second one, Mohan is not as strong as Ravi. So Ravi is stronger than Mohan. Ravi is stronger than Mohan. So third one is, December is the coldest month of the year. Coldest month is superlative. So what will be, no other month in the year is as cold as. We are changing that into positive degree. So no other month in the year is as cold as December. So fourth one, this is the most difficult book. Okay, here no dash, no other book is as heavy as. So this is the most difficult book. No other book is as difficult as this book. No other book is as difficult as this book. Okay, that is the answer. So fifth one is, very few cities are as large as Kolkata. So Kolkata is one of the largest cities. You may write, Kolkata is one of the largest cities. Then you have sixth question, Kalidasa is the greatest of Indian poets. So no dash, no other Indian poet is as great as Kalidasa. No other Indian poet is as great as Kalidasa. So lead is heavier than any other metal. So no other metal is as heavy as lead. Most of these questions are all repeated ones, so it won't be a difficult thing for you. So no other metal is as heavy as lead. So coming to question number 8, the question is, I get up earlier than she does. I get up earlier than she does. So the answer is, she does not get up. It starts with, she does not get up as early as I do. She does not get up as early as I do. Question number 9 is, this town is not so dirty as that town. So that town is dirtier than this town. So the answer is, that town is dirtier than this town. So coming to question number 10, it is, diamond is harder than any other substance. So what will be the answer? Diamond is the hardest substance. That's all. Diamond is the hardest substance. So we have completed assignment 1 and 2. So go through this again and understand the structure of these sentences. So let us do some more grammar from the specimen paper. So now turning the pages, coming to page number 185. Okay, let us do A, B, part A, B and C in this class. So first you have the example given. I will not sign the contract under any circumstance. So already the answer is given there. Under no circumstances will. So that is very important thing. It is not under no circumstances I will. Okay, if you say I will, that will be wrong. So instead of that, under no circumstances, then you have to use the verb there. Okay, will I sign the contract? Now coming to the questions. First one is, the Taj Mahal seemed to fascinate him. Okay, here answer is, he appeared to dash, he appeared to be fascinated. He appeared to be fascinated by the Taj Mahal. Okay, the Taj Mahal seemed to fascinate him. He appeared to be fascinated by the Taj Mahal. Second one, the talent contest lasted an hour and was followed by a puppet show. So a puppet show followed. So here active passive, no. So first one was from active to passive. Second one is from passive to active. A puppet show followed 1 hour long talent contest. So you may write this way, a puppet show followed 1 hour long talent contest. Question number 3, there was a large pile of bricks scattered over the field, and among them I could see my bunch of keys. There was a large pile of bricks scattered over the field, and among them I could see my bunch of keys. So here the answer will be, my bunch of keys dash. My bunch of keys was lying among. My bunch of keys was. It is not verb, but it is was. Was lying among a large pile of bricks scattered all over the field. So it is not necessary to remind you to put a full stop at the end, and all the punctuation marks are very important. My bunch of keys was lying among a large pile of bricks scattered all over the field. Fourth question, the weather is finer today than it was yesterday. So yesterday the weather was not as fine as it is today. So how will you write the sentence? Yesterday the weather was not as fine as it is today. So question number 5, as soon as the train arrived, the passengers rushed into the compartments. Hardly dash. So we have done several questions starting with hardly. So hardly had. In this case, see, as soon as the train arrived. So if you say hardly had, that will be wrong in this case, because we know we have to follow the same tense. So it should be hardly did the train arrive. Okay. So you may find in many books hardly had, but according to our system, so our ISC system, we follow hardly did, or we follow the tense according to the question. So according to that, it should be hardly did the train arrive when the passengers rushed into the compartments. Hardly did the train arrive when the passengers rushed into the compartments. So coming to part B, where you have to fill in each blank with suitable words. So he came dash to my way of thinking after a good deal of argument. He came dash a fortunate last year. So in both the cases you find came dash. In the first one it is he came round to my way of thinking, and the second one it will be he came into a fortune. So round and into. Now coming to question number 3, a German company has taken dash the firm. Fourth one is the policeman took dash the number of the stolen car. The third one it will be taken over the firm, and in fourth it will be took down. Okay, took down the number. Okay, write down the number. So fifth one is he never turned dash anyone who needed help. Sixth one is I turned dash the job offer because I joined college. So fifth one, he never turned away anyone. Turned away anyone. Sixth one is I turned down the job. Turning down the job and turning away anyone and turning down the job. Now coming to seventh one, he called dash the florist and ordered a dozen red roses. And eighth one is the garden party was called dash because of the rain. So he called at the florist, and eighth one is the garden party was called off, OFF. Now coming to question number 9, the names of the winners were given dash in the newspaper. And 10th one, his parents seem to have given dash on him. The 9th one is the names of the winners were given out, OUT, given out in the newspaper. And 10th one, his parents seem to have given up on him. So we move to question number C. So fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of the verb given in the brackets. So let us see the paragraph once. The courage that Gunjan dash in bracket show is given is commendable. Appeal to all my youngsters of the state to take inspiration from the young girl. Assam Sports Minister said while honor is given in bracket, the brave girl with a medal and cash award. Gunjan dash in bracket you have volunteer to offer herself as a hostage to a gunman who dash abduct in bracket her and 10 other school children in a van while they dash return home from school. The van, however, in bracket gets stuck in a drain somewhere near the Nagaland border, and the gunman had to pick a hostage. I dash in bracket you have scare because I could dash kill. Okay, but as I was the eldest, I decided to go by instinct and accompany the gunman so that he let the other children go. I dash in bracket you have the word take to a jungle near the Nagaland border and asked to wait till he returned, but he never returned, and after that spent the night alone. I decided to flee and approach the police, she said, narrating the ordeal. So I hope that you have got the answers. Okay, let us discuss the answers. So the first one will be Gunjan showed. Okay, it is past tense. So after that, when you come to second one, see, Assam Sports Minister said while honor the brave girl. So it will be honoring. Third one, Gunjan dash volunteer. So it will be in past tense, volunteer to offer. So we are talking about the particular time and what happened there. So Gunjan volunteered. So it is in simple past. Volunteered to offer. So coming to fourth one, it is abduct. Abduct is changed into abducted. Abducted. Then you have fifth one, while they were returning. It will be were returning. Okay, sixth one is got stuck. Get stuck is changed into, it will be changed into got stuck. Okay, and you have seventh one, there scare will be changing into was scared. I was scared. past tense. Okay, was scared. Then you have eighth one, I could dash kill. I could be killed. I could be killed. Then the ninth one is I dash take to a jungle. I was taken. The child says I was taken. Okay, and you have 10th one. So the last one, after spending. Okay, after spending the night alone, I decided to flee. So after this ABC, you have question number 4. So reading comprehension. So it is time for you to read this and complete this as homework. Okay. So in the next class, we will be discussing the answers of this comprehension passage, and we will be doing the rest of the grammar from the Total English textbook. For time being, we wind up. Okay. Thank you.